Welcome dear students for the session 48 of our system software of 3rd semester BC affiliated to Kuvempu University. Today we'll do the revision classes 2. In the previous class it was again a revision class where we learnt about the different databases and tables we will use. So today's learning objective is to have another revision classes which focuses on what we have did in the unit number 4. So the session outcomes is to understand all the revision classes. So when coming to the revision classes, today we will see the phases of a compiler. We have already seen that there are 6 important phases of a compiler. They are lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimizer and code generator, and all these are connected to the symbol table as well as to the error handler. So when coming to the first one, that is the lexical analyzer, it's also called as a scanner, which reads the source program one character at a time, carving the source program into a sequence of atomic units called as tokens. The second phase is syntax analysis. The second stage of the translation is called syntax analysis or parsing. In this phase, expressions, statements, declarations, etc. are identified by using the result of lexical analysis, and the syntax analysis is aided by using technique based on formal grammar or programming language. You remember that intermediate code generation is the final machine language code is produced here, and this phase bridges the analysis and the synthesis phase of translation. And I think you remember the code optimization, which is one of the important phase. It is been described to improve the intermediate code so that the output run faster than takes less space. And in code generation, which is the final phase of our translation, is code generation. A number of optimizations to reduce the length of the machine program are carried out during this phase. The output of the code generator is the machine language program of the specified computer. So we'll have some MCQs. The instruction format RR has a length of 2 bytes. And the SS is the instruction format which uses 3 half of words. And which of the following instruction format has a 1 half word is RR. So this is the concluding summary where we have revised some revisions. So for further readings, you can use the book System Programming authored by John Donovan.